Oh man, I didn't even record. All right, I had to use a bimetal hole saw. It's 2 inches and it cuts straight through here. My first cut, had to use a corded drill. I had a little battery power drill. It ain't work too well for me, so I got a low power one though. So that's what we did for the short power. Time to get this done. About to cut myself. Hey, we got it in. My pops helped me. The best day in the world. Now we just gotta caulk it in, make it look good. Tap it up. All right. I got it working. Using this little rock pals to set it up. Just got the two things. And the fan is working. Oh yeah. All right. Pretty good for step one. So excited about that. That is awesome. All right. All right, y'all. Day two, we got the fan done, and we got the shore power in. So now I can bring some solar in, and I can have my power tools running from outside. So that's pretty cool, straight from the van. And I keep everything charged up nice and good. So we on our way. God bless. All right, y'all. I just spray painted everything down. Look much better already. That looks awesome. I haven't spray painted in the inside. This is let's see if I can show you. This is Rust-Oleum 2-in-1 reformer. It stops rust, seals it. Hopefully that can work it out. Shout out to them. They're not paying me though. All right, not sponsored at all, but just trying to use it. Like I said, got my fan. I think I'm gonna try to put the solar in, and then while the solar is hooked up, I can that get its time to dry, and then I can bring my floor in. All right, so I got these panels in. Trying to get them in. They kind of tilted this way, just a little bit, just to get a little sun in. All right. Well, I wanted this to be my floor. I figure out how can I tap this down to make sure it looks secure and neat. Measurements off just a little bit. Probably should have did one seamless thing. The bed gonna be over this part, but I'm worried about that metal section, how that's gonna look when it's all said and done. Got the floor. I want it nice and thin. This is an 1/8 inch and a 1/4 inch, so I think that's a good enough. See, it's a little give to it. I think I'm gonna drill some holes down and figure out what I'm gonna do about this middle seam. Okay, I'm sorry I didn't really get a good recording of this, but I used just a regular drill bit, one of those bimetal drill bits, and I drilled, I think it was an 1/8 of an inch holes on the top of the roof, and ran those two cables through and hooked it directly to my Blue Eddy. My Blue Eddy is going to a fuse box. These are the panels on my little rusty roof. I use rigid panels because I heard they have much better output than the flexible panels. So I put those in. As you see, they're pretty close to the ground. And then once I put those in, I filled it with putty. I put putty over the holes actually before I drilled through them, and then I sprayed them off with that Flex Seal. I had black Flex Seal, but it didn't matter. So I sprayed that on the top to try to seal those holes in. I had a little drippage. I had to go back and drill, spray on both sides. Please make sure you seal on both sides. A bunch of caulk, a bunch of Flex Seal to keep it watertight. So once I got that in, we were good to go. We got our power and all the holes are drilled so far. And there you go. 128. I'm bringing in 132 watts. And I got it going to the fridge. You may have noticed it says 0 reading. The good thing about these DC refrigerators, when the compressor is not running, is 0, so it lasts forever. This is a set power, just a small fridge. It works out pretty well. This is just a test. Of course, it's not going to be directly hooked up like this. So, as you see, that's the aviation port that's coming from the solar panels. It connects to there. That's how I get the solar to the roof. The AC outlet that's right next to it, I can hook that up to the shore power when I'm at home, or I can hook it up to an inverter through my engine. Thanks for watching part 2 of the video of the van build. Please like and subscribe because there will be more on its way. God bless.